Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Queen Chikon Dotto and her life. I'm Chikon Dotto, your host and host. And here I am doing traveling videos and product review and product haul. And I cannot upload traveling videos due to lockdown, so don't blame me. You can blame China for that. And apart from that, keep supporting, keep loving my channel and me, obviously me and my channel. Okay, and your support and love means a lot to me. Welcome to my life. Today I'll be doing a review of Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and like I always said, it will be my honest review. So to know more about the product, stay tuned to my channel. Price of the primer is $7.99 for 30 ml of product, and it has a shelf life of 3 years. And Sugar is an Indian company, so you can find their product in any of their outlet near you, or maybe on their website or Nykaa. I will put the link in the description box below. Please do check that out. Let's talk about the outer packaging of this product. And very elegant, very classy, super jet black, super sexy, and with the Sugar logo on it. And it is very travel friendly also. It will not squeeze out if you do not squeeze it properly. So yeah, you can definitely have it when you are going to another place. Firstly, I am reading what they claim on this product, and after that I will clarify everything one by one. So let's read. Up to 12 hours oil control skin perfecting formula, and it will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores for a visibly softer skin. And also this okay, and they also claim that it will be for all skin type people. And I have a very dry skin, so I do not face any problem of using this product, and I do not have any pore on my face, so I cannot say anything about how it works on pores. And yeah, I have a fine lines over here, and it definitely works on fine lines. To use the product, you have to twist the cap. Oh, sorry, wrong side. Okay, and it's not so thicky, not so runny, and it will blend within few seconds. And let's talk about when you can use this primer. You can use this primer after applying your moisturizer and before applying your foundation, so it will help to blend your foundation very easily on your skin. And it is paraben free and cruelty free, so it will not harmful for your skin at all. That's why I'm using this primer, and I have only this primer. I do not use any other primer at all. And this primer removes the excess oil from my skin and gives a natural glow to my skin, and it helps my foundation to stay up to longer period. That's why I love to prime my face before applying any foundation. And I'll be doing a wear test up to 12 hours of this primer. And the foundation and the powder in one video, so it will be helpful for you to understand how it works on skin. And I'll put the link of that video in the description box below, or maybe somewhere in the screen. Please do check that out. And let's get connected through Facebook. My Facebook account name is Chikon Dotto, and in my Instagram I_Chikon_Dotto. And And if you do like my review, then do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel right now. Right now. And press the bell notification so you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. And that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day, tata.